My name is Mike Van Dyke. I'm Collection Systems Team Leader 2, kind of run the dig crews. Yeah, I'm a third generation MST employee in my family. Both my grandpas worked here, my dad worked here, 2 uncles worked here, and now I'm here. So I guess it's in my blood.
My name is Patrick Evans. I'm a construction team leader 1 here at the sewer district. I was a carpenter before I came here to the district, and when the economy slowed down, I was trying to look for good, stable work, and I applied to the sewer district, and I'm still here 6 years later now. So,
my name is Tony Mers. I'm a construction supervisor for this sulfur yard down in the city of St. Louis here. Basically, we repair and maintain sewer structures within the city. So anything from a cave-in to a main that goes down to an inlet that falls apart, manhole framing covers, riser rings, street collapses, anything that's related to sewer construction or repair.
Every day we're on the street and we're fixing and maintaining problems that we have found by doing inspections. But at the same time, we're ready with our equipment, so when something does happen, if a homeowner calls in and says, you know, I noticed there's a hole in the alley back there, we can respond to it quickly.
Anytime you use your sink, getting water, bathroom, taking a shower, any of that relies on us. We're definitely pretty critical.
It's not an easy job, and it's a constant juggling act, but we do what we have to do to get the job done.
Here at MSD, they treat the employees a little different. It's not quite like outside on the private sector.
There's plenty of opportunity for advancement. You know, if you just show an interest that you want to move up, they'll help you move up here.
It comes with a lot of benefits with the days off, the sick leave and the vacation. They provide us with all the proper PPE we need and give us ample time to make sure we can do our job correctly, safely.
Good company to work for. This is definitely a place I plan on spending the rest of my career at.